her owner says that she is a nervous little girl at times, that she lacks confidence, that she refuses to load up into their vehicle, that she refuses to go up and down stairs, that she knows some of her basic commands, but just isn't really reliable, and she kind of does what she wants to sometimes. So with that, we're going to work on that for the next 2 weeks. So let me show you what she knows today on day 1. Hi, Maggie. Sweet girl. Yeah. All right. So Maggie. Maggie, come. Sit. Good. Place. Place. Maggie, down. Down. Heel. Oh, good girl. Heel. Heel. Good. Heel. Good girl. So as you can see, Maggie does know a couple of her commands. She just isn't really reliable. So we're going to work on that, help her to be a more confident dog, help her to be better with her commands around distractions. So we're going to work on that, and I can't wait to show you her transformation after 2 weeks with us. Good girl.